Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is a traditional Indian drink that has gained popularity worldwide for its numerous health benefits. This vibrant yellow beverage is typically made by warming up milk, dairy, or plant-based, with turmeric and other spices like cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. Drinking a cup of turmeric golden milk daily can have profound effects on your health due to its rich content of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients. In this video, we'll delve into what happens to your body when you drink a cup of turmeric golden milk daily, exploring its benefits and scientific evidence. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric, the main ingredient in golden milk, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, including heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, and various degenerative conditions. Curcumin works by inhibiting several molecules known to play major roles in inflammation, such as cytokines and nuclear factor kappa, B, NFKB. Drinking turmeric golden milk daily can help control inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. This anti-inflammatory effect is particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. 2. Detoxifies the liver. The liver is essential for detoxifying the body, metabolizing drugs, and processing nutrients from food. Turmeric has been found to enhance liver function and protect against liver damage. Curcumin stimulates the production of bile, a crucial component in the digestion and absorption of fats, and the elimination of waste products from the liver. Furthermore, curcumin has hepatoprotective properties, meaning it helps shield the liver from damage caused by toxins and heavy metals. This is particularly important in our modern environment, where exposure to pollutants and chemicals is common. By drinking golden milk daily, you support your liver's detoxification processes, promoting overall liver health and function. 3. Improves food digestion. Golden milk contains ingredients like ginger and cinnamon, which are known for their digestive benefits. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat various digestive issues, including nausea, indigestion, and stomach discomfort. It works by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and bile, aiding in the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. Cinnamon, another key ingredient, helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. It can also help reduce bloating and gas by relaxing the digestive tract muscles. Drinking golden milk before or after meals can enhance digestion, reduce gastrointestinal discomfort, and improve nutrient absorption, leading to better overall digestive health. 4. Improves sleep quality. Golden milk is often consumed before bedtime due to its calming properties. Turmeric contains compounds that can help regulate serotonin and dopamine levels, neurotransmitters that play a crucial role in mood and sleep regulation. Additionally, the warm, soothing nature of golden milk can help relax the body and mind, promoting a sense of calm and readiness for sleep. Some people find that drinking golden milk before bed helps them fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. Improved sleep quality is essential for overall health, as it allows the body to repair and regenerate, boosts immune function, and enhances cognitive performance. 5. Relieves muscle and joint pain. Chronic inflammation often contributes to muscle and joint pain, such as arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and curcumin can help alleviate pain and stiffness in muscles and joints. Curcumin inhibits inflammatory pathways and reduces the production of inflammatory markers in the body, providing natural relief from pain and swelling. Regular consumption of golden milk may help manage symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions, improving mobility and overall comfort. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications in reducing pain and improving function in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 6. Anti-aging properties. Antioxidants present in turmeric and other ingredients in golden milk help combat oxidative stress, which contributes to premature aging and cellular damage. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to damage of cells, proteins, and DNA. Curcumin, with its potent antioxidant properties, helps neutralize free radicals and boost the body's own antioxidant defenses. If you drink a cup of golden milk daily, it can help protect your skin cells from free radical damage, reducing signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. This promotes a youthful appearance and overall skin health. 7. Improves circulation and heart health. Turmeric has been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce cholesterol levels, contributing to heart health. Curcumin enhances the lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium, improving its function and reducing the risk of heart disease. Endothelial dysfunction is a major driver of heart disease and involves the inability of the endothelium to regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and various other factors. Curcumin also reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to heart disease. Furthermore, it can help lower levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol, and increase levels of HDL, good, cholesterol, improving overall lipid profiles. Drinking golden milk daily may help maintain a healthy heart and vascular system, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Drinking a cup of turmeric golden milk daily offers a plethora of health benefits. The powerful combination of turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and milk provides a wealth of nutrients and bioactive compounds that can improve overall well-being. Although golden milk is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of possible side effects and consult a doctor if you have any concerns. I trust that you enjoyed the video and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.